So let's see where we are. So we started ClimateScan, and there's a lot of projects, as you can see. There's even more because these are the projects with photos and descriptions. So show all projects, and then you get an extensive list of locations with the category, which is great for researchers. But let's see. We want to add a project. So first, you go to the place where you are. So for me, that's Amsterdam area. As you can see, there's a lot of things mapped already, not surprisingly. It's a hobby of mine and a lot of Dutch people, but of course also some other countries. Let's go to Copenhagen after the cloudburst. A lot of projects pop up. Malmo, one of my favorite places. Augustenburg. Let's go to Lund and see what's out there already. Only 2 points. Very depressed now. But a storage pond seems like a swale actually by Per Nelson. Submitted 9 projects, very nice. And then there's one more. Oh yeah, green facade. We call it not a green wall, but this of course helps with mitigation of high temperatures, and it looks amazing, by the way. The pictures. So you get some information. Geert Westerhuis, Dutch guy, by the way, submitted 227 projects already, and he says there's a green wall, and it's in the category of water. I would say green facade, but let's see. Because there should be more. Really surprising. So here's the station. I've never been actually. But let's see, I think the university is around, isn't it here? Yeah, okay, so what do we see? Universities are mostly a hotspot of things to see, so this should be a green roof, right? Yeah, okay. Well, add a project. First you log in. That might be nice. So I log in with the ClimateScan in this case, and then you see here a button which says add a project, and then you get a choice. You get a point. That could be I don't know, just a point on a map to see in this area there's maybe subsurface infiltration, which you don't know. You can also do a polygon. I'm gonna do that because this is a green roof, which I know how big it is, and we can use that for calculations actually. So this is a green roof. I'm gonna put continue. It's in this case you get different yeah, top categories like water. Most is water, and then it's heat, so that's mostly about mitigation of heat stress. So that could be climate, green, and everything. It's connected. You can have more categories if you want. Biodiversity, so it could be an insect hotel or anything. Urban agriculture, that's of course urban farming or things in the urban area that's related to architecture. Air quality, energy, so that's more about mitigation, and people is mostly about social. So yeah, social cohesion in neighborhoods and stuff, and health as well. Climate events is when you know that there's maybe a location which floods a lot, and you have great videos of that to prove that we have to do something. So this is green roof. Indeed, there's a lot of categories. It's citizen science, so everybody could add, but if you're into nature-based solutions or sustainable urban drainage system, you know what a rain garden is, or rainwater harvesting, or there's a lot. If you don't know that category, it's probably not your category. So this is a green roof. Green roof, Lund University. I would say. I'm not sure if there's a lot of information on it, but you could put a tag, but you can leave it as well. Do I have a photo? Actually, not now, but I'm sure this will pop up, and you can put it later. So you skip that step. You can put a website link. You can put more information, but basically, if you put save, it will be on there. It will be on there. It could take a minute. If you're very want to see if it works, you can go here and you see projects, and then you get a list of projects with green roof Lund University, and you can add pictures later, as I said. So put a picture to it. It takes you to your files. You can put videos. You could put basically a lot. So that's maybe it for now. Yeah. Anything else? Let's go to the map again. It will show up pretty soon, probably, or if you refresh. In that case, another one. This is great. A lake. This is probably like a pond, so you could do that as well. Well, basically, yeah, it's the same. Categories, anything else? There's some layers, but it's mostly related to Dutch information, so I will skip that. Now, I think this was quite short, 5 minutes. I hope it helps.